Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your cruise control in the 2022 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an EX Premium S all-wheel drive in scarlet red. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, all the cruise buttons are located on the right side of the steering wheel here. So while you're moving, you'll go ahead and hit the cruise button, and it's going to pop up at the top of the instrument panel there. Then, when you're ready, the set button is the bottom part of this silver button on the right-hand side. So if I were to pull down, it's going to tell you exactly what speed you've got your cruise set to, just to take the guesswork out of it. And while the speed is set, you can then use this silver button as the plus and the minus that are there. And that's going to allow you to bump it up or down a couple kilometers an hour. And again, it will show the adjustment in the instrument panel. If you need to temporarily disable it, you can either tap the cancel button or tap the brake, one or the other. And then as long as you haven't turned cruise off, if you want to resume the speed you had originally set, again, at the top of the screen there, you can go ahead and hit the silver button up, and it will then resume the speed that you originally set. If you're done with cruise for that drive then, or that particular moment, you can go ahead and hit the cruise button and it turns it off, and then you just do the cycle again. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our links to social media are in the description below. Thanks, guys.